Been looking at this, and it's right along that line of wind, strong winds, that you get these quick little spin ups that happen, but they spin up and spin right out. But what we're seeing is these tornado signatures that come in and they go right away. And so the Weather Service has been on the trigger, like trying to see. And so right here, where you see this red, a lot of this is red. But then you see this lighter color right in here indicating very strong winds. You're talking about winds up to maybe 60 miles per hour, maybe even a little bit stronger than that. And so if you're in McDonough right now, no doubt the winds are starting to pick up on you along with the heavy rain. And so you may even experience some straight line wind damage with a few of the trees around your area. Stockbridge, I would say the same for you. Headed toward Locust Grove, not quite there yet. And just to the east of Griffin down here to the south. And it's in these areas where we have these severe thunderstorm warning, where we have those winds in excess of about 60 miles per hour. But you can see that line right about there, right about in there. And it's anywhere along here that we could see some brief spin ups. I'm looking down here towards Spalding County right now, and that may be where we're looking at next for a brief spin up. But again, with it coming in brief and then disappearing, and these are Doppler indicated, not confirmed on the ground tornadoes that we're talking about, but this is Doppler indicated, where we're seeing some rotation, excuse me, in the atmosphere. And so you got to go on it, folks, just to keep you safe. So if you're in this area, Stockbridge, McDonough, down toward Locust Grove, Jackson, there's the tornado warning right there. Just popped up. We have a tornado warning right now in effect until 1:45 for Henry.
That's where you're just talking right now, that new warning. Sorry.
Right, the new warning for Henry County, Newton County, and Rockdale County just popping up right here. So I think, Chris, right there, you can see over here just to the south and east of Stockbridge is where we have possibly some rotation right in there. I believe that's probably where it is right there. And again, that's moving up to the north. So if you're in the Stockbridge area, maybe just to the south and east of you now, but if you're looking at right along Route 212, Route 20 in this particular area, be on the lookout. Go ahead and get to your safe place right now because of this spin up. Now, we don't know how long that's going to last, and they have been brief so far, but this one could actually really start that rotation. The Weather Service was saying within the next couple of hours, especially as these move over toward the east, they could start to gain some strength. And so that could be what's taking place as we speak. So here is Route 23 right there from Stockbridge down through toward McDonough, and I think that's probably where it is right there, Chris, if you want to jump back in.
Yeah, that's where we're seeing here that potential rotation that's moving through. Before I go back down to that, I want to show you 366 lightning strikes in the past 15 minutes here in all of North Georgia. Here again is that warning. I'm going to take the reflectivity off for just a moment and put this into velocity mode. Chesley was pointing this out very well, of the area of potential rotation that we're watching. And this is, I mentioned Flippin to you just a little while ago. The Weather Service is saying that the severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located near Flippin or near McDonough, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. That is right here that Chesley was, excuse me, was pointing out in this area where we're seeing that potential rotation that crossed over 75, crossed over Highway 23. It's now just to the east of Highway 23 with that potential rotation there. Here you see Interstate 20. So this is Henry County, the northern parts of Henry County through Stockbridge. Here you have Rockdale County right here, and then you have Newton County over here. So it includes parts of southern Rockdale, parts of Newton County, and parts of Henry County right here with that potential rotation. I'll widen out just to give you a perspective of where this is in relation to Atlanta. Here we are in Atlanta. This is on the south side, just south of I-20. There's McDonough right there. This is just north of McDonough, near Flippin. This is the part where we have that potential rotation now that is moving up toward the north and east.